Hey guys, Mike here, Mike's Pressure Washing, the Fresh Rinse. I'm in Loveland, Ohio, washing this beautiful two-story raised ranch colonial looking thing and all the concrete. I want to give you a pro tip on before and after pictures for concrete. So what I like to do is before I take my before picture, I like to wet the concrete. It gives the appearance of the concrete being much, much darker. So I went ahead and pre-treated the concrete with 1% SH, just downstreaming it. Now I'm going to surface clean it and we'll look at the after pictures. Hey guys, while you're watching this absolutely awesome video of me doing flat work, don't forget, I'm very happy to help you with your next social media ad. You can text me at 513-235-8474. I'll give you that number here again in just a moment. I get more than half of my leads through Facebook, and I'm glad to show you how I do that and give you some information and produce ads for you at a very low price. Again, my phone number is 513-235-8474, and be sure to text and I'll get you that information. I sell these ads for one for $50 or three for $100. Again, I produce these especially for you. These are specific to your business with all of your information, and this is an opportunity for you to capitalize on a very low priced ad for your business. So once again, text me at 513-235-8474. All right, here we are with a completed project. I went ahead and surface cleaned one more time and then washed the rest of the house, had some work to do in the back, and this is what we're looking at. As I said before, if you take your pictures after you soak the concrete, it gives the illusion, and I need to say this very carefully. This is not about being deceiving. When it's wet, that's what it looks like. We're just showing the driveway or the concrete at its worst state, and that's our advertising. And then we take a picture at its best state. So I'm going to take a picture of that right there, and that's what I'll use to advertise. I'd love for this to be completely dry, but with that shadow maker behind us, that's not going to happen. All right, I hope that's helpful. Mike, the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.